Flowers, they captivate us with their vibrant colors and delicate petals, bringing a touch of nature's elegance into our lives. From the moment they bloom, flowers have a unique way of brightening up any space they inhabit. They're everywhere, brightening up our homes, offices, and special events. Whether it's a simple vase on a kitchen table or an elaborate arrangement at a wedding, flowers have a way of making moments special and memorable. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey they take to get there? It's not just a matter of picking a few blooms and placing them in a vase. The journey of a flower from the farm to your home is a complex and fascinating process. It's a fascinating trip from the farm to your local florist, and it all starts with some serious sweat and ingenuity. Farmers and workers dedicate countless hours to cultivating and harvesting these beautiful blooms, ensuring they reach their peak perfection. Now, you might picture a bunch of folks hand-picking flowers in a field, and while that's still part of it, there's so much more that goes into the process. The dedication and hard work of these individuals are just the beginning, and while that's still part of it, these days, there's a whole lot of technology involved. Modern greenhouses equipped with advanced climate control systems ensure that flowers grow in optimal conditions regardless of the weather outside. We're talking heavy machinery, climate-controlled greenhouses, and logistics that would make your head spin. The integration of technology in floriculture has revolutionized the way flowers are grown, harvested, and transported. This ain't your grandma's flower garden, folks. The scale and sophistication of modern flower farming are truly remarkable. From traditional gardens to large-scale flower farms, the industry has come a long way. This is modern floriculture, and it's a high-stakes business where efficiency and precision are key. Every step of the process, from planting to delivery, is meticulously planned and executed to ensure that the flowers you receive are nothing short of perfect. And let's not forget the florists who skillfully arrange these blooms into stunning bouquets and arrangements. Their creativity and expertise bring out the best in every flower, making each arrangement a work of art. So, the next time you admire a beautiful bouquet or receive flowers from a loved one, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey those flowers have taken. From the farm to your hands, it's a story of dedication, innovation, and the timeless beauty of blooms. Let's start with the farms themselves. These are not just any farms, they are the heart and soul of the flower industry. Imagine vast expanses of land meticulously cultivated to grow the most beautiful and vibrant flowers you can imagine. These farms are often family-owned, passed down through generations, each one adding their own touch to the art of flower farming. Forget about fields full of dirt. Traditional flower fields are picturesque, with rows upon rows of colorful blooms swaying gently in the breeze. But there's more to it than meets the eye. The soil is carefully tested and treated to ensure it has the right nutrients. Farmers use organic methods to keep pests at bay, making sure the flowers are as natural as possible. Many flowers these days are grown in high-tech greenhouses that are climate-controlled to a T. These greenhouses are marvels of modern engineering designed to create the perfect environment for flowers to thrive. They're equipped with advanced climate control systems that regulate temperature, humidity, and even CO2 levels. We're talking perfect temperature, humidity, and even light. These systems are so precise that they can mimic the ideal conditions for each type of flower, ensuring that every bloom is as perfect as it can be. It's like having a little piece of spring all year round. They use something called hydroponics, where plants grow in water instead of soil. This method allows for more control over the growing conditions and can result in faster growth and healthier plants. Hydroponics is a game changer, especially in areas where soil quality is poor or space is limited. And forget about the sun. These greenhouses are designed to operate without relying on natural sunlight. This means that flowers can be grown in any climate, at any time of the year. It's a revolutionary approach that opens up new possibilities for flower farming. These greenhouses use special LED lights that are designed to give the plants exactly the right kind of light they need to thrive. It's pretty wild. These lights can be adjusted to provide the perfect spectrum of light for each stage of the plant's growth, from seedling to full bloom. It's like having a custom-made sun, tailored to the needs of each flower. When it's time to harvest, the heavy machinery rolls in. We're talking about massive harvesters. that can gently cut and collect flowers with incredible speed and accuracy. These machines are equipped with sensors and cameras that can actually tell when a flower is at its peak, ensuring that only the best blooms are picked. Talk about smart tech! Once the flowers are harvested, they're whisked away to a processing plant where the real magic happens. First up, they get a good cleaning. Conveyor belts and specialized machines remove any dirt, debris, or unwanted leaves. Next, the flowers are sorted by type, size, and quality. This is where those perfect blooms are separated from the rest. Finally, they're bundled together and prepped for packaging. Now, here's the thing about flowers. They don't stay fresh forever. In fact, they start to wilt pretty quickly once they're cut. That's where the cold chain comes in. From the moment they're harvested, flowers are kept at a constant cool temperature to slow down the aging process. We're talking refrigerated trucks, climate-controlled warehouses, and even airplanes. It's like a race against time to get those flowers to your vase looking their absolute best. Like I said before, technology is changing the game in the flower industry. From drones that monitor crops to software that optimizes growing conditions, tech is everywhere you look. And it's not just about efficiency. Technology is also helping farmers reduce waste, conserve water, and grow flowers more sustainably. It's a win-win for everyone. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great for big farms, but what about the little guys? Well, the good news is that small-scale flower farmers can also benefit from technology. There are affordable tools and techniques available to help them improve their growing practices, streamline their operations, and even sell their flowers online. It's all about working smarter, not harder. So there you have it, folks. The world of flowers is not just about beauty. It's a fascinating blend of nature, science, and human effort. From the moment a seed is planted, a remarkable journey begins. The journey of a flower from farm to vase is a lot more complex than you might think. It starts with the careful selection of seeds, which are then nurtured in the perfect environment to ensure they grow strong and healthy. Farmers work tirelessly, often battling the elements to cultivate these delicate blooms. It's a testament to human ingenuity, hard work, and the power of technology. Modern farming techniques and advanced machinery play a crucial role in this process. From automated watering systems to climate-controlled greenhouses, technology ensures that each flower gets the care it needs. The next time you stop to smell the roses, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey they took to get there. Each petal, each fragrance, is the result of countless hours of labor and love. It's a reminder of the intricate connection between humans and nature. And remember, behind every beautiful bloom is a team of dedicated people and some seriously impressive technology. From the farmers who plant the seeds to the workers who package the flowers, every step is a coordinated effort to bring beauty into our lives. Now that's something to think about. So the next time you see a bouquet, remember the journey it took to get there and the many hands that made it possible. It's a blooming future indeed.